You see my eyes are feeling red again. I'm bringing light, like Thomas Funky Edison. Been in the desert for 47 days, purple haze. The poison never tasted never change. Turn up the whoopers so I can feel the beat. Vibrate, my belly like a my shorty all the time. Wine and grind, lovely, shake your behind. Cinnamon skin be bringing sin to my mind. But whether or not the weather's hot or the weather's cold, I'm wrapping her like a blanket with my whole soul so that she can feel me like Coca-Cola. I'm the whoa, sweet thing, my girl lollipop. She growing mad crops, she rolling herbs every day at about 4 o'clock. Tick-tock, strike the hammer while the iron's hot. Ooh, girl, what you got cooking in the pot? Say, Mary, Mary, quite contrary. How does your garden grow? Shh, hydroponic, ultra supersonic. Or does it grow naturally slow? Ganja babe, my sweet ganja babe. I love the way you love me and the way you're misbehaving. Ganja babe, my sweet ganja babe. Come waste my body, how they take my mind away. Ganja babe, my sweet ganja babe. I love the way you love me and the way you're misbehaving. Ganja babe, my sweet ganja babe. Come wake my body, how they take my mind away. Starting to smell kind of good in here, y'all. Yeah. Shh, bring it down low. Check this out, check this out. See everybody get down and do the boogaloo, just like the cover of I Want You. Yoo-hoo! Look what you gonna do. What you gonna do when the rent comes due? Round up the posse and call up the crew. $5 at the door and you bring your own booze. So call your neighbors cause they can come too. Be sure and bring your records cause I only got a few. So bye black sheep, have you any wool? Yes sir, a nickel bag full. Some for my partner, some for my crew, some for my ganja baby, she needs two. For just like me, they long to be. What you wanna be, yeah. Ganja babe, my sweet ganja babe. I love the way you love me and the way you're misbehaving. Ganja babe, my sweet ganja babe. Come wake my body, how they take my mind away. Ganja babe, my sweet ganja babe. I love the way you love me.